So now we will go to our Kinemaster app. So we will be learning all about editing, and you want it quick, then you will do it here. You will click on new project, and then for the aspect ratio, it's a lot there. You just choose the ratio 16:9, and after that you will click the create. If you want to name the project, then you can name the project. Okay, so now we will choose the video that we want to edit, but this time actually we will be showing you how to put a background music to your video, so that it will be, when you listen to it or when people watch it, it's not so boring. They will listen to some music that will be good for their ears. And by the way, it's just free in Kinemaster. Okay, the only thing, if you will pay, is that it will be no watermark, but it doesn't matter. If you're just a beginner, just start Kinemaster without paying anything. Okay, we go to I have here an album Kinemaster tutorial. Those are the photos or videos that I will use in my tutorials. Okay, so I will choose this. You just click on the video that you want to edit. Now I choose 3 videos, that is, so it's almost like a minute, the 3 of them. Now we will leave from this page, and we have to be clicking the X. So now we are there, and you just drag it, so you will be in the beginning. So as you see, you are already there. Now if you try to listen to this, there is no music in this video. Okay, so we can actually try to listen to it. So the video is totally silent. So what we can do actually is we can put immediately the background on it. So where will we go? We click on the audio. Now we are now in our audio browser. If you are the one that is totally a beginner of Kinemaster, it means you haven't downloaded yet any song or music of Kinemaster. So what you're going to do, so that you can download, like I have here, I have already music here. Okay, I have already selected music that I downloaded, but if you don't have it yet, then I will show you. We will just click this kind of, it looks like a nipa hut or something. It looks like a house or something. Click on it. There you go. And be sure that you are in, because it's a lot, world artist, acoustic, and you have to choose. But you just click on this one with the notes. Okay, and then you will come up here with all the different songs. And what you're going to do is that if you want to listen first before you download, it means you just have to click the play button. Okay, but I will not be trying that anymore, because I know exactly how they sound. But instead, I will show you how to do it. Like, for example, if you choose the music Magical Dream, then you just click the download. And by the way, be sure that you only choose the ones that are free, because there are ones here that stands premium, and that you will not download because you will pay for that. So now we have downloaded a Magical Dream. So what we will do is we just leave this page again by clicking the X. Now we're back in our video, and what we will do is that we will choose the Magical Dream. So we were able to listen to it. So every time you click on the song or on the title, it will play. Now, if you think that that's the one you want to choose, the Magical Dream, now you see it's on red. The text is in red color now. All you do so that you can have it in your video is just to click the plus button or plus sign. Okay, we click the plus sign, and there it go. You have already now Magical Dream. So we will look at it, how long it took. And Magical Dream actually is quite a long background music. So what will you do, because it's quite long there? All you do is that, and this apply also if, for example, if it's your picture or your video is, you want to split it, or you want to, uh, take out, cut it. So what we do is we click on the music or the song, and now you see that the green one, that is the song, is already has a yellow border. So where will we go? We go to trim or split. It means we will trim. And which one are we going to trim? Of course, we will going to trim the right side. So click trim and then trim right. So because it's the right side, we have to trim. Now it's being trimmed, so we go back there and then we try back. So it's just to go back again, and every time you see to go back to the first page that we are doing there, this is the first page that we are actually doing, and to go back you just tap on the back sign. And now we will try how it sounds. So if you feel, and as you see, you don't want to listen anymore, you just click the pause and or play if you want to play it. So we go back, and then you feel like, okay, I'm contented with it. If ever you want that the sound of the music will not be so, how to control it, if you want it louder or you want it that it's not so loud, you just click on that. Okay, it has a yellow border again. It means that is the one that we have to edit. And what you do is you go to the mixer. So the mixer here, you click it. The mixer actually is the one that controls if you want your sound higher or lower. So when you tap this mixer here, which is in 100%, if you go put it down, it means it will lower the sound. If you put it high there, the sound will be very loud. So that is why some people sometimes it's like it's too much sound, and that is where you want to control it. Okay, so we go back again to the first page, and now we have it there. So if you want to put like a title on it, then it's just very easy. All you do is just click the layer. So when you click the layer, you will just click on the text, that a very big capital T. Click on it, and then, for example, I will make it all capital letters. So you will just click, I will put a title that is nature. Okay, or maybe why not, we will putting it beauty of nature. So, and we will put it here. A lot of people usually put their text in the middle, which I don't recommend. It's because when you put your text, I will have a tutorial later on where I will teach you how to put text in your videos or photos or and beauty of nature. You don't see it so much, so you just go to your color and you can choose red. Why not? So you have the red, and we make it a little bit, we choose the robot to bold so that it's more, look, you see it now, beauty of nature. Now you have it. If you want that you will see that text, beauty of nature, you just click on the yellow because that is the text, and you just drag it. And if you want it on the whole video, then you can just drag it the whole video that you have. Okay, now you have it. So we go back again, and as you see, you are contented with it, then you can have it there. If you think that beauty of nature you don't really, or you're not contented with it, you can always change it. But anyway, for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just end it there. And of course, you are contented and it's enough for you, then you just click this one on the upper right, and it means we are saving our video, and click save as video. When you click save as video, you will have like this. But of course you want it free. Me, I'm not either paying it now, so you just click the skip button, and there it goes. It's starting to be saving. Since our video is just like 1 minute, no, it's kind of 11 minutes, so it can take quite fast. But I will tell you, if your video will like after 15-20 minutes, now it's like that. If you are having this free, just click the X to exit. So that was very fast. And why? All the videos that I have in Kinemaster app that was being saved, I erase it. Once I have already it in my YouTube channel, I erase it, because if all of them are being there, it will totally affect the performance of your app. And your app, when you use it, it will be very slow. So what you do is you will click this one in the middle.